I stopped at a roadhouse in Texas. There was a little place called Hamburger Dan, and I heard that old jukebox playing. It was a song about a truck driving man. Pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put a nickel in the jukebox and play that truck driving man. Here's Doyle.
Well, the waitress just brought me some coffee. I thanked her but called her again. I said that old song sure does fit me, 'cause I'm a truck driving man.
Get it, Doyle. Pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put a nickel in the jukebox and play that truck driving man. Here's old Tom.
And then like a flash I was gone. I heard them truck wheels are rolling. I'm on my way to San Antone.
Pour me another cup of coffee, for it is the best in the land. I'll put a nickel in the jukebox and play that truck driving man. Yeah, yeah. And play that truck driving man. Thank you very much.